Hi, this is Aruna Keshav. I am the curator of this exhibition called Forms and Feelings. There is totally 15 artists whom are participating artists in this exhibition. The exhibition is at Chitrakala Parishad, started on 29th, and do come and have a look at it. This is Suchenda. He's from Mysore. He does watercolors. This is Ganesh Dodmani, and these are also acrylic on board. This is Vikrant Karant. He is a young artist from Delhi. This is Alka Rao. She is also from Bangalore-based artist. Lalita Shankaran, a senior artist from Bangalore. And Anvi, she is from Bangalore, young artist. She is doing her masters in US. This is Praveen Kumar. He is also a mid-career artist from Bangalore. Shruti Goyal, she is a Delhi-based artist, young artist. Bhavani, she is also a mid-career artist from Bangalore. Mohit Mahato, he is a Bangalore-based artist. This is Bhavani's, which you have already seen. And this is Sanket, he is from Pune. These are oil on acrylic on canvas. Ganesh Dodmani's work. This is acrylic on fiberglass. Ankita, she is a Delhi-based artist. She does very miniature hand embroidery works on canvas. This is Bhavani, Bangalore-based artist, acrylic on canvas. This is a young artist from Bangalore, Aishwaryan. He expresses his works in very different way. You have to do a close-up shot to see the details more of these works. This is Raghu Kundu. He is from Bangalore, a mid-career artist from Bangalore. These are Mohits again. There are some terracotta works here, like a very miniature kind of drawings on the terracotta plates. You have to do a zoom in to see more detail. Sanket from Pune, or the acrylic on canvas. And these are Praveen Kumar. These are also drawing on canvas.
Hello, I'm Bhavna from Rotary Bangalore Skyway. We are doing an exhibition here curated by Aruna Keshav. Please come visit this exhibition. It is for a cause. All the money raised from this will go to reconstruct toilets in a destitute home. Please do visit us.